Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our project. Our project is focused on developing a book-selling website with a core global store. In this video, we'll introduce the website and how we manage the process to build it. First of all, I want to briefly demo our website to see how we can experience it. For the first time visiting the website, as a customer, we have to register, definitely in this form. And then we should log in again. Okay. Filling in the form and clicking submit, it will notify us if there is something wrong. Otherwise, log us in the system and redirect to the home page. Well, the interface currently that admin and customer see are different from each other. As a customer, we can see the home page here. In the menu bar, there is a logo which can return us to the home page from every page. A drop-down menu beside containing order by their order status to see the purchase history of the customer. Well, let's log in to their available one to see if more retail. Okay. Here, a list of order we have made. Then next is a list of category that we can click on to view a list of the books in the same type. For example, then is a search engine. We can search by case insensitive name. There. And our card with a number of books inside the card. And then our avatar is allowed us to update the user profile when being clicked respectively. Let's try to be a newbie. Okay. You can see the default avatar here. And we can change some of the information. Okay. Well, profile saved. And we can see our profile updated. Okay, scrolling down toward the bottom, we can see a list of books which can be sorted by accordingly to name, price, the quantity of book, and alphabetic category. When clicking a book, we can see a book in detail, but if we want to buy the book, we should log in first. Okay, I will add. Here we can change the quantity of the book. Then add to cart. Of course, we can update the quantity after or delete the item if necessary. Well, let's try to add some more. Okay, delete it. Then we can click on Buy Now in the detail page or directly Buy Now in the bottom of the cart. Then check out. In the checkout stage, we can fill out some information for the delivery address and choose a payment method. We can also choose a voucher that we claim from some event. then check out. You can preview your bill before choosing to confirm the order. If we choose to pay by cash, we can see a success message like this. And if we choose online payment by PayPal, what will happen? Confirm it. We should log into the PayPal first, and then we will see our order here. Just pay it. Well, we are in the testing environment, so let's move to the next step. What will happen if we are admin? Just log in by the username and password set by default in our database. Just root and root, respectively. As an admin, you can see the admin page right after logging successfully. On the left-hand side is a navigation bar containing the function of managing both order and voucher. You can also click on the home icon to display the customer home page to see what happened. Here, you can also return to the admin page by this way. First, admin can view, edit, delete, and add new book to their store inventory by clicking the Add New button and enter some product information. Okay, then add new book. You can see that a new book is updated here. You can choose the pen button and then update some new. For example, you can add a lot of image and update book. Okay, let's reload again. See, the new product. You can click to the chat icon to delete this product. And then second in manage order. When admin hover on manage order in navigation bar, a droplet will appear and admin can view status of order according to their status like prepare, cancel, request, success. They can also choose some options here. The final in managing voucher, admin can view the list of store voucher and we can delete it or add new. The same like product. Well, that is all about the main function of this website. Now I will present an overview of our project report, including the software architecture document and how we manage the build process. First, we present the reason for building a website project to scalable and the technology used in it. Next is the requirement analysis of the software including both non-functional and functional, more specifically like interface requirement, business requirement, etc. You can read in detail in the report file. And then we present the use case diagram and use case specification of 23 use cases in the project. The third part is like SDLC methodology. We use Agile, or actually the Scrum, a development and management methodology. Our project includes an initial phase and 3 sprints. Here is the evidence. The first sprint in process. Sprint 1 completed. Sprint 2 and Sprint 3. We've done a lot of work. The fourth part is the most important part, system design. This section includes ER diagram, DB diagram, wireframe and side map, activity diagram, second diagram. A lot of it because we have 23 use cases. Well, the next part is system development. We present the technology used in each front-end and back-end part. Back-end here, we use DDD architecture and MVC architecture combination. And the front end is React.js. Okay, back end provide API and front end will consume the API. After that is the question screenshot that I have showed you before. The next part is the system testing. We use manual testing technique. Like this. Okay. Finally, we summarize the result of the project, the parts that have not been done, and the direction of the future development. That's all about our project. Let's come to the core important part.